Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I uploaded a video, and yep, today we are gonna install a new steering wheel for the EK hatch. And yep, so I got a DC5 steering wheel from the marketplace, and I've been waiting for this package for about 2 weeks now. It sucks. It's only an hour drive away, and this trailer post took 2 weeks to ship it to me, and I don't know, can't complain though. So yeah, it's not gonna be a how-to video, just because I know a lot of people already did this steering wheel swap, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it in the car, and I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like after. Alright guys, so I apologize for the wind noise because it's really windy out here today, and yeah, I can't do much about it. So before I do anything else on the steering wheel, I've taken the battery terminals off so airbag won't destroy my face while I'm doing this one. So I'm just gonna give you a little look of what is my steering wheel now. This is top steering wheel for the EK ones, and it's not bad, but I think it's too big. It's like driving a bus. No, just kidding. So yeah, I think there are 2 bolts holding the airbag for this one. Just gonna take that out, and I'm gonna have access in the bolt in the center, so I can remove the steering wheel. So yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys, probably know how to do it. Just gonna do it, and I'm gonna show you guys updates on what I'm doing. Alright guys, so I removed the airbag from the old steering wheel there, and now I have to take off this bolt here. Alright, so I've removed or loosened this bolt right here in the center, and I did wiggle it off a little bit, and now I think, whoa, shit, oh, hold on, there you go, it's off right there. Goodbye, you ugly steering wheel. All right, now we are going to get the new one right here. Where is it? This one. Huh. I don't think I have a horn button now. God damn it. Okay. Alright. Yo! Alright guys, so I've just finished installing the steering wheel. Looks good. Let me show you guys. Right there. I've installed it. No SRS lights. And yeah, I think it looks good in the car. I got the DC5 seats, steering wheel, and yeah, a simple little mod, but looks great on the car. cannot get the horn to work, so gonna figure that out. And yeah, but for now it's all right. Don't really use the horn button too much, so yeah, it's all done right there. I hope you like this video. It's trash. Nothing much, just installing a new steering wheel, and yeah, gotta figure out the horn issue maybe tomorrow, 'cause I got work later. So yeah, just wanted to install it so I can drive it now with the VC5 steering wheel. So yeah, again, sorry for the wait, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.